Dear friends and colleagues, we are sitting in International Astar University of Peshawar. I have engineer Rashid Minhaz and Saddam Hussein Shabab, who is MPhil student in Peace and Conflict Study, and Kamran Maman, he is doing BS in Economics. Today my topic is about inner happiness and peace of mind. How to get inner peace and peace of mind. Actually, the other day, Sir Naeem gave a speech, he gave a talk on this topic, and he gave 35 tips for getting inner peace and calmness. Now 35 tips, the list is quite long. Remembering this list is enough for losing peace of mind, not forgetting, let alone practicing them. It's very difficult to remember all those 35 tips. Moreover, the tips he gave are mostly psychological practices which are necessary for healthy life but not for getting peace of mind. They have nothing to do with happiness and peace of mind. Like the tips he gave, like deep breathing, decluttering, test your limit, assertiveness, me time, and so on. These are just psychological practices which are good for healthy life, but they have nothing to do with peace of mind and inner happiness. Here I am going to give my 5 tips for inner peace, calmness, and happiness. First, live in the present. Live in the present, yes. Present, most of our people lose their peace of mind because they are worried about future. And they think about past. So, question and comments will be at the end, okay?
Okay.
Now you should listen. So, we should not worry about future and forget about past. Live, the correct moment is, the right moment is the present moment. We should live in the present moment. What we have to do, for example, if someone is studying, he should focus on his study and should not worry about future or past. Life is only the present moment. Number 2, connect with the universe. Universe include your environment, the people, and the creator of the universe. For example, environment. Environment includes the nature. The nature means trees, mountains, the river, the stars, the moon, the air. All these things, if you interact with these things, they will give very good effect on your mind and health. This is a good source of happiness and inner peace. So do interact with nature. Environment also includes people, your friends, your teachers, your relatives. Have good interaction. Don't say good things to them. And have good positive interaction with these people. This is also necessary for inner peace and calmness. The creator of the universe. If you are practicing some religion like Islam, like any other religion, so each religion has its teaching. Most of our listeners are perhaps Muslim, so they should also have good interaction with Allah. In case of non-Muslim, they should do according to their religion. So this was point number 2, interaction, connection with the universe. If you connect with the universe, it will give you tremendous energy, and which you can use for inner peace and happiness. Number 3, say, think right, say right, and do right. Don't indulge in wrongdoing, wrong thinking, and wrong words. Always think positively. When you think positively, when you say things, nice things, and do good deeds, so it will also produce tremendous energy in the environment and will increase your happiness. Number 4, increase your friends. Do not consider people as your opponent and enemy. Always think positively. Even if there are some opponents, even about them you should say things, nice things. Treat them fairly. Don't indulge in wrong thinking. Do nice things even with your opponents. In such manner you can get their sympathy there, and this will also give you tremendous energy. Never consider people as enemy. Consider them as your friends. Sometimes in office, school, college, or workplace, people indulge in this enmity and thus create large, tremendous negative energy, which is used against them. So increase your friends, not enemies. So this was in the 5th number. Hobby. Do some hobby in life, like sports, writing and reading, music. Music, I mean, you may play music, an instrument, musical instrument. You may also hear and enjoy musical instrument. Sports, walk, visiting new places, meeting new people. So do something as hobby. Hobby means which you are doing just for fun, not for money. This will also increase your inner peace. And in the last one more point, that is use your mind positively. Mind is the source. Energy, happiness is both in our mind and in the environment. So you should, first I told you that connect with your environment for getting inner peace. Now I also tell you to use your mind as source of happiness. Here I should increase one more point, that is learning, education. You should learn new things on daily basis. When you learn new things and apply them, this will also increase your happiness and will increase your inner peace, will prepare you for life. Intelligence. Let's talk about this. Intelligence means the ability to adapt with your present environment. So what are the demands of present environment? For example, these days the demand of present environment that we should be we should be highly educated in technology, in awareness. Huh? So you should use your intelligence and fulfill the demand of the present situation, not past or present or future. Don't worry about that. So as we have my talks ended, this is we have friends, we have all the students. So if you have any question, so you may ask.
Habib Nawaz and Kalab Sahab, you explained a very good 5 points about the happiness of the inner happiness of the mind. Can you explain that what is the peace? Can you define the peace?
Peace. Okay. Saddam Hussein Shabab is actually a student of peace and conflict study. So he focuses on peace. So inner peace or happiness. Simply the absence of anxiety and stress. This is my very brief and short definition. The absence of anxiety, stress, and other problems. This is inner peace.
Another question, Habib Nawaz and Kalab Sahab, you...
Yes, second question allowed.
As a second question, you say that the inner peace of mind. How a person in this tension life, how a person can obtain this inner peace of mind?
How a person can obtain
this inner
peace, because you say that this is life of tension, and every day you knew that there are accidents, there is money problem.
There's a lot of problem here today.
So actually, happiness is not just outside. Happiness is both. You can find happiness both inside your mind and outside. Experts disagree, but to me, 50% of the happiness is outside in the environment, and 50% is inside in the mind. So here we focus on the right approach, on the right use of your mind. Inner peace, I mean the peace which God has given to everybody. When you are at ease with yourself, when you use your mind positively, so you will defeat the problems outside, the sorrows outside, the worries outside. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Thank you, Dr. Seth, for giving some time for my question. My first question is that what is happiness?
What is happiness? Happiness, there may be many definitions. People disagree about that. But for you, Kamran Mamand, second semester student in economic department. For you, happiness, as I already described, that this is the absence of stress, problems, and anxiety. This is happiness.
Absence of stress.
Yes.
Second question is that is it happiness lies in money only?
Okay, he's a very good question. He talks about money. Whether we can buy inner peace in return for money. So, as I already told you that inner peace relates with, it's concerned only with your body. It's not something outside. Happiness you can find outside, and the inner peace is inside your mind. You cannot get it is in return for money. But anyway, as I already told you that find 50% of the happiness outside and 50 inside. How outside? Be connected with your environment in a positive manner. Play your role. Never create problem for yourself and for others. So you can find inner peace inside too. Use your mind in proper way. Okay, thank you for your interest and participation.
डॉक्टर साहब बड़ी
Yes,
मेहरबानी
yes, engineer Rashid Minhas.
हमें उम्मीद है कि इंशाल्लाह आप इस मौजू पर मज़ीद की हम आपसे तवक्को करते हैं कि मज़ीद इस मौजू
Yes, we will continue. This I have just said few words. We will continue this.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you.